So this is the first effect, and most common effect is this. This is one of the most common effect. Most common effect. And what is happening? What is happening in this case? The name has been taken from physics. Name has been taken from physics. What you have learned in the physics? That if this surface is a charged surface having positive charge near to this surface, then this neutral object, if it forced to come, if it is brought nearer to this surface, initially it's a neutral, but when it comes close to this surface, it gets negative charge. Without coming in contact, it gets a negative charge. This process is known as induction. Now see how this induction is applicable in chemistry. Suppose this X is more electronegative than carbon. This X is more electronegative, it means it is having a negative charge. So it will produce a delta positive charge here. And this will produce a del positive and del positive. So what happened? There is no actual charge migration. It's a negative charge and it's a neutral element. Because of the movement of the electron, partial movement of electron, this contains delta negative. As a result, to maintain the neutrality, it gets delta positive charge. This is happening like here. What happened here? This is the repetition of this incident. Initially it has positive charge, this surface was then neutral. When it brought close to this part, it got negatively charged and it is having a positive charge. Now, same thing is here. This is negative. To maintain the neutrality, this is having a del positive charge. So this is the name. This is the meaning of name. Why the name is there? For inductive effect. Now see what is happening. Induction means it is permanent polarity. Polarity produced in carbon and X chain by displacement of sigma electron. It's a very weak effect. Practically it cannot be realized beyond third carbon. Second, involves movement of sigma electron. Third, electron does not comes out from valence cell. It has been subdivided into two parts. Movement of sigma electron towards carbon chain towards carbon chain, and opposite is, and what is the opposite of this? Movement of electron. Which electron? Which electron? This one is towards and this one is away from carbon chain. If electron goes away from the carbon chain, as a result, del positive will appear on carbon. As a result, del negative will appear on carbon. Del negative will appear on carbon. This appears like C sigma bond, C sigma bond, C and X. X is more electronegative than carbon. Electronegativity of X is higher than electronegativity of carbon. Electronegativity of carbon. So what is happening? These are the electrons, shared electron. This X will try to pull the electron. It will try to pull the electron towards itself. As a result, it's a del positive. This is del positive and they are the two shared electrons. So this del positive will try to pull the electron towards itself. Try to pull the electron towards itself. Pulling of electron. Pulling of electron. So it will have delta positive positive. And again this positive will pull the electron, so it will have delta triple positive. Since this effect is not realized beyond third carbon, 1, 2, 3. So this effect is not realized beyond this carbon. And in this case what will happen? This is carbon, 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 and again this X is there. And electronegativity of X is lesser than electronegativity of carbon. In this case, electronegativity of X is higher than electronegativity of carbon. So what will happen? These electrons will be moved towards carbon. So it will have delta positive and this will have delta negative charge. It is delta negative and this one is electron. So they will push the electron. They will push the electron towards this carbon and it will have delta negative negative. Again negative charge and this one. So it will be repelled by this negative charge and it will have delta triple negative. After this impact cannot be realized. This cannot be realized beyond this point. Cannot be realized beyond this point. Beyond this. This part is known as negative eye effect. And this part is known as positive eye effect. Positive eye effect. It's a positive because they are moving the electron towards the carbon chain. They are pushing the electron towards the carbon chain and they are taking electron away from the carbon chain. So this is the minus eye effect and this is the plus eye effect. It removes the electron from carbon chain towards the halogen or towards the X. Here they are taking electron from X. And this carbon chain moves towards this electron moves towards the carbon chain. They are moving towards the carbon chain, that's why they are positive eye effect. They are moving away from the carbon chain, that's why they are known as negative Y effect. So now we need to learn the name of the group which show positive Y effect and negative Y effect. Generally, very less elements are there, very less molecules are there which shows plus I effect, means electron donating tendency. Whereas most of the elements, most of the compounds, they show minus I effect. Here I have collected some popular name or some popular examples. For example, this is the case for the hydrogen. This is the case for the hydrogen. This is the isotope deuterium, tritium, deuterium, and this is normal hydrogen. These three are the isotopes of hydrogen. Isotopes of hydrogen. Here we need to find out oxygen single negative. Oxygen single negative means peroxide. This is 3 degree, this is 3 degree, this is 2 degree, this is methyl, and this is normal ethyl group. Why this is 3 degree? I have told why this is 3 degree. We know that how it can be 3 degree. This carbon has been attached with this carbon which is directly attached with how many carbon? 3. That's why it is known as 3 degree, and it is having the maximum tendency to donate the electron. 3 degree carbocation is 3 degree alkyl group is having maximum tendency to donate the electron, followed by 2 degree, followed by 1 degree, and this is the methyl group. This scale has been prepared on the basis of, we have divided the entire molecule or entire group based on with electron donating or electron withdrawing capacity, electron donating or electron withdrawing capacity with respect to hydrogen. With respect to hydrogen molecules which can donate the electron, with respect to hydrogen molecules which can withdraw the electron. So electron donating has been considered as positive I effect, and this one has considered as negative I. So for hydrogen generally they take as a 0. So hydrogen is not the part of positive I effect or negative I effect, whereas hydrogen is acting as a reference element or reference molecule. So this scale has been designed on the basis of electron donating or electron withdrawing capacity with respect to hydrogen. Now come to this side. This is electron withdrawing group, means those which will remove the electron from the carbon or which will withdraw the electron from the carbon. So electron will go away from the carbon chain. This will be the moment sign. Electron is going away from the carbon chain. In this case, electron will go towards the carbon chain. So here all negative ions, these are the negative ions, and if oxygen is having a positive ion, such elements becomes very strong electron puller. Why? Because oxygen being electronegative element, it should have negative charge. But it is having a positive charge, so it is having a high tendency to attract the electron towards itself. So everywhere, here also positive charge on the nitrogen. So you will see nitrogen is having positive charge, they are having higher minus I effect in comparison to NH2. Oxygen, which is having a positive charge, is having higher minus I effect with respect to OR. Here C triple bond N is having higher value of this minus I effect, because this is sp hybridization, this is sp2 hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized. As we know, sp hybridized carbon is having highest tendency to attract the electron. sp hybridized carbon is having higher acidic character with respect to sp2 hybridized carbon or sp3 hybridized carbon. The trend is sp is more acidic than sp2, which is more acidic than sp3. Here also benzene itself is a sp2 and this one is sp3. If single bond is there, it's sp3. Suppose it's a double bond, because for single bond this formula is not correct. So this one is also sp2, this one is also sp2, but this one is having delocalized electron, this one is having localized pi electron, this one is having delocalized pi electron. So it can attract electron more effectively than this one.